smell of a campfire on a calm summer night in the deep Appalachian Mountains where the moon shines bright. The nearest neighbors are deers, bears, and coons, and I don't think they mind if we sang them all a couple of tunes. Oh yeah. There's a stack of wood that we spent all day to cut, a lot of heavy lifting and tugging, and man, I'll tell you what, the beauty of the fire's worth the work in the end. But that's not the case, that's just a dream, my friend. It's just a dream. Cause we live in a city where the lights are so bright we can't see a single star. Sound ordinance laws keeps us from playing guitar. And if you want to know where that pool man is, your guess as good as mine. It's probably back behind that building, standing tall beside those power lines. Enough of all this talk, let's go to the station here in town where the beer's cold and firewood is only $3.85 a gallon. We can go to my house in my garage where we can just stand around our kerosene campfire. It's a big old town. Kerosene campfire, kerosene campfire. 'Cause when it starts getting cold and the sun goes down, you can find my buddies and I hanging around the campfire. Kerosene campfire. 'Cause it's hard to have a blaze when you live in a city. Just a little gas match and never looks so pretty. Well, deep in the mountains where the trees are really green and the air is so clean and there's not one city light to be seen. Oh no. Nothing else to do but drink a cold brew on the bank of a crystal clear stream with a fishing pole. That's all just a dream. Kerosene campfire, kerosene campfire. 'Cause when it starts getting cold and the sun goes down, you can find all of us hanging around the campfire. Kerosene campfire. 'Cause it's hard to have a blaze when you live in a city. Just a little gas and match and never looks so pretty. We've got all our friends and all the girls too. Let's get together to make this dream come true, yeah. Kerosene campfire, kerosene campfire. 'Cause when it starts getting cold and the sun goes down, you can find all of us hanging around the campfire. Kerosene campfire. 'Cause it's hard to have a blaze when you live in a city. Just a little gas and match and never looks so pretty.